Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by locating the recovery key ID shown on the Bitlocker recovery screen. This is the exact string you need. Once identified, search the places where keys are stored. Azure AD for joined devices, on-prem AD/DS for domain-joined machines, or the user's Microsoft account if personal. Make sure to note the device serial and the user principal name because those details speed up lookups and confirm you're retrieving the correct recovery key. Next, query the repository that matches your environment. If the device is Azure AD joined, use the Azure portal or the Graph API and PowerShell to filter by the recovery key ID. For example, search device objects and their Bitlocker keys. In an on-premises domain, open Active Directory users and computers and review MS/FVE recovery information linked to the computer account. If the device is personal, ask the user to log into their Microsoft account and check devices' Bitlocker keys to match the recovery key ID. Finally, once you find a 48-digit key that corresponds to the recovery key ID, copy it exactly and enter it on the Bitlocker prompt to unlock the drive. After the drive unlocks, make sure the system boots and check Bitlocker status so you know the issue is resolved. If the key doesn't work, re-verify the recovery key ID and device identifiers, then expand your search to other admin accounts, backup repositories, or recent AD/Intune change logs as a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.